It's not the price, it is the prevailing sentiment. It is not the price, it is the prevailing sentiment. In 2020, 2021, 2022, Bitcoin at $20,000 was considered to be a very high price. Now, the sentiment at that time is this is the peak. Bitcoin at $20,000 is a very expensive price for Bitcoin. Now, since 2022 up until now, the market has gone into a bear phase, back into the bull phase, and as of right now that we speak, Bitcoin is traded somewhere close to $100,000. Now, the $20,000 of 2 years ago, 3 years ago, when that was considered to be an overbought price for Bitcoin at the top, is now a price that is considered to be a very low price for Bitcoin. So it is not exactly the price. It is not $20,000 as the price of Bitcoin that matters. It is what the market think about that price. If the market thinks that a particular price level is a good price level to buy, the market is going to buy that level. It doesn't really matter the price of the asset. It doesn't really matter the numerical value. It is the sentiment that is attached to that season, because it is seasonalities. It is going to get to a point where people will buy and buy and buy, and you are buying. This is trading. You buy to sell. So it will get to the point where people will buy and begin to feel like, okay, the market has gotten to the point where I should start to look for ways to offload my bags. So it is the prevailing psychology, it is the prevailing sentiment behind the market activities that matters. It is the prevailing sentiment that matters. It is not the price level, it is not the price in itself. It is the sentiment that matters. So your price chart is an illustration of the prevailing market sentiment and prevailing psychology of traders at any given point in time. When you approach it that way, it will help you see that it goes beyond just you. It goes as far as everyone else, not just you.